coworkers make fun of me because I don't let my food go to waste.
And no, I'm not talking about eating the rind of a watermelon or coffee grounds. I'm talking about composting.
Instead of throwing my food scraps away, I like to reuse them to help create a rich, natural fertilizer. So if you've never done it before, here's what I do. I use veggie and fruit scraps, bread, eggshells. The more varied the mix, the better.
Now you want to steer clear of things like berries, citric fruit, and animal products. I use this composting bin, but there's many others out there. First, we want to start with a nice bed of brown materials like twigs and leaves.
And then I'll throw in my food scraps. Think of this as a lasagna. You want a nice balanced mix of each layer.
Every time you add anything fresh, you want to mix it with the lower layers. You also want to keep it moist. It should be as wet as a wrung-out sponge.
Lastly, continue adding these layers until your bin is full and turn the goods once a week. Once the scraps aren't visible anymore and you have dark brown soil with an earthy smell, it's ready to be used. I use this soil as fertilizer for my plants, and trust me, it works wonders. Try it out. See how it works for you.